Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by listing the essential loads and their wattage so you know what must stay on. Prioritize to avoid overestimating. Once done, check the UPS battery voltage and amp-hour rating on the nameplate. This gives you stored energy. Next, choose the target runtime in minutes or hours and add about 20% margin to cover inefficiencies and battery aging. Make sure to record power factor if using VA ratings, because watts versus VA changes the calculation. You now convert the total watt load into battery current using I equals W divided by V divided by inverter efficiency. This accounts for conversion losses so you don't undersize the bank. After that, compute Ah needed by multiplying current by runtime in hours, and then divide or increase for allowable depth of discharge %, because draining fully shortens life. Once calculated, determine how many batteries in series for voltage and in parallel for capacity. This you finish by implementing the battery bank with correct fusing and cabling, then perform a real-world runtime test using the actual critical load while monitoring voltage and temperature. Once done, compare observed runtime to the calculation and update your safety margin if needed. If actual runtime falls short, check common problems: battery age or health, lower inverter efficiency, high ambient temperature, or wiring voltage drop. These factors reduce available energy and are easy to correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.